Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about Upland. So Upland is a real life metaverse game. So what that means is the real life, like real life properties, real life streets, real life states, like the world map basically is converted into metaverse. So they have real names like states like United States is United States in the metaverse, London is London in the metaverse. So every street in London is every street in the metaverse as well. So it's kind of like a mind-blowing one. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see on the screen, it says Upland, play, earn and connect, rebuild the world. So basically it's like adaptation of the real world. So it says fast growing NFT metaverse, map to actual addresses, earn dollars on virtual properties. So basically, yeah, so if you're lucky enough to locate your address on the metaverse, you can actually, if nobody's buying that, you can actually buy your real life address in the metaverse and then own it in real life and in the metaverse as well. So it's crazy. So yeah, it says get a 6,000 UPX sign up bonus. So if you should register now, you're going to get a 6,000 UPX. So basically this means UP currency. UPS means UP currency, which is Upland currency. So it's like the metaverse currency in the game. So it says join the metaverse. So if you should join now, you're going to get 6,000. And then in the game as well, so what makes you an Uplander? So Uplander is the name of the people that owns property within the game. So what makes you to qualify as an Uplander is you have to have up to 10,000 UPX. So your UPX, you'll be given 6,000, which is like 60%. So you have to, the thing is that you can use real life money to buy maybe the remaining 4,000, and if you want more, you can go ahead and buy. But as for me, the thing is that I've actually been in this game for a while, for like since last year, and then again to be an Uplander, so they'll be giving you a visa within the game. So you're going to be getting a visa. Your visa runs for 6 days. So I forgot to renew my visa, and then the consequences of that is that you lose your all the assets you have in the Upland. You lose your game progress, so you basically start from the beginning. So it's kind of like a bummer, because I literally just forgot, because real life got in the way now, and I forgot to renew my visa, and then yeah, here I am again. So yeah, I signed up again with my email, and then let's get straight into it. And the thing is that this is the screen, and yeah, what I was saying, I wanted to rebuy my property back, but someone else took it. So yeah, I had to be waiting. I've been searching for like 2 weeks now, searching within the game to get another property so I can keep earning XP. Because if you should own a property within the game, if other players in the property are visiting your game, you're going to be earning UPX. So that's how, if you don't want to put in real money, that's the easiest way for you to get for you to get UPX within the game, which is the in-game currency. So yeah, I've been trying to own a property again on the within the game, and so far I haven't been lucky. The ones I've seen are like millions and millions of UPX, so it's kind of crazy. But yeah, so as you can see on the screen, currently we are in the state of let me see, what state is this, because it's real life adaptation of within the game. So yeah, which state is this? I think this is Michigan. Yes, it's going to come up now. Yeah, this is Kansas City. So within the game, so all these avatars that you're seeing, these are Uplanders, as you can see, all of them. So these are like the in-game people that are online right now. So yeah, so as you can see, this is the screen. It says this is my name right there, and that is the avatar, this thing that I chose. So yeah, it says get UPX. So if you want to get UPX, if you want to put money into the game, if you want to become an Uplander overnight. So yeah, as you can see, 5,000 UPX is $5, $4.99 basically. 10,000 UPX is $9.99. So basically, even if you do not want to claim the initial 6,000 that they will give you, you can just buy 10,000 UPX and you become an Uplander immediately. So becoming an Uplander, you have access to the in-game benefits, events. Even when the invasion of Ukraine happened, they actually did an event within the game that they were getting donations for people in Ukraine, and they will deliver it to them in real world. So it's kind of like crazy. since the whole game, and it makes sense because since the whole game is an adaptation of real life anyway, so it makes perfect sense to do something like that. So if you want more UPX, 50,000 UPX is basically $50, so $4.99, and then that's it. And then they do special deals like giveaway and all of that. As you can see, it says Spark sale 0.05 Spark. So you register, and then you'll be given 3,000 of 3,000 left. So basically, I haven't been there before, so I really don't know how that works. But yeah, this is the part where if you want to pull your life money, that's how you do it. So yeah, as you can see, this is my 6,000 right here, the one that I was given when I launched the game after missing my visa, unfortunately. So yeah, this is my location right here. If you want to look at your Uplander location, that is going to load me right there. As you can see, this is the street map and all of that. It's like real life adaptation. You can even view the real life property within the game. Like you can use Google Earth. They adapted it into the game as well, so you can use it to actually view. So even if you should own your own real life property within the game, you'll be able to view it in the game as well. So it's very, very crazy. So this tower right here, this is where you click when you have when you view properties nearby. So it's going to bring the details of the property. As you can see, this is a real life address right here. So if we should click it now, it's going to take us straight there. As you can see, it's loading us directly to the property. It says the property is in Kansas City, Missouri. The property is for sale. It owns by this individual here. So if this is your real life, you're saying this and this is your real life address, and you want to buy this property of this person, all you just have to do, you can buy it immediately, or you can make an offer for them. And then there is an in-game quest as well, whereby you can find treasure. This treasure will come in form of an NFT, and they belong to you. So whatever they worth in the UPX market is what you're going to get. So the game is very, very interesting to be a part of, and I've actually been a part of it, but as I said earlier, I missed my visa. I failed to renew my visa, and then I got shafted. So if you Uplander developers are watching this, you guys shafted me, and it is not nice. It is not nice just because I forgot to renew my visa, and you guys shafted me. You took my property off me and all of that. So I just need to put that out there. So yeah. So, and then if you want to know more about the person, and if you want to, this is where you look at the street view. So we're going to take a look at that. So as you can see, this is the real life property. As you can see, this is the real life property. This is that address within the game. This is the real life picture right here where we're using Google Maps to see. So I haven't been to the US before, but yeah, this is me literally living in the US within the game. So yeah, happy days. I get to travel from the corner of my room. So yeah, as you can see, that is it there. It's like real life. So everything, as you can see, this house here, their address is within the game as well. So you can own them. So if these are your properties and you're saying this, you can actually own this as an NFT within the game. You can sell it anytime you want. You can basically do whatever you want with it. So yeah. So that's how the game goes, and then I'm going to be showing you guys after, if I get lucky to finally find a property to buy. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to be doing more and more videos, and anytime they're actually doing an event, I'm going to be covering that as well. So as you can see, the ones here, I'm going to go back to the address because I really want to show you guys something. So as you can see, this green here, this is the address. This green here, someone else owns this one, and then these blue marks here, these ones are for sale. As you can see, they have a FSA on them, so they are for sale. They're currently for sale. So if you can navigate your way through to them, you'll be able to buy. And these are, I think these are this person awards or something, or visitors. Yeah, these are the visitors. Yeah, exactly. So this Jamie Casey's Room Dog, the Jake and CR Fuzzy. I've actually visited this address within the game. So the what they do in this game as well, whenever anybody visited your property, you can set a visit amount. Like they will have to pay, like maybe the highest is 20 UPX. They have to pay 20 UPX. You can set it 5, 10, 15 or 20. So anybody that visits your property, they will have to pay 20 UPX for just visiting, having a look and all of that at your property. So yeah, that's how, like, it's a no-brainer. So if you guys want to get into it, I hope my video is enough to convince you to be a part of the game. It might be a bummer because you have to be renewing your visa, you don't need to do anything, but there are some events that they do that really like get maybe you can get a loot, or you can find the treasure, and then who knows how much it's going to be worth, because it's going to be an NFT, it's going to be minted on blockchain in your name, in your care, and in your wallet. So yeah, I'm just going to end the video here. If you watch to the end, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and share, and I'll be seeing you guys with more videos in the future. I hope you're staying safe. Peace.